Welcome to Indianapolis Marriott Downtown. Our downtown hotel is one of the 5 best in-class hotels that make up Marriott Indy Place. With new rooms, convenient parking, and on-site Starbucks, our hotel is simply the perfect choice for your next trip. From the moment you walk through our doors to the end of your stay, you'll find your experience here at Indianapolis Marriott Downtown to be a memorable one. Here you'll find one of the most comfortable and satisfying stays. Look to your left and to your right, exploring the room you'll call home during your stay. Each one of our rooms and suites are complete with stunning decor, plush beds, and spa-like showers. With high-speed internet access and flat-screen TVs equipped with video streaming, you'll stay connected 24/7. Elevate your stay in the M Club, where Marriott Rewards members can grab complimentary snacks and beverages, or sneak in a few more hours of work in a casual atmosphere. When you're ready to eat, head to Connor's Kitchen and Bar, bringing a higher class of casual to downtown Indianapolis. Our menu features elevated comfort foods and local beers and spirits. If you desire a quick snack or drink before dinner, make your way to Rye Bar. It's the newest go-to spot to see and be seen while sipping a craft cocktail or a classic whiskey neat. For food on the go, look no further than our Loaf and Vine Market. You'll find a little taste of everything, from shareable corn muffins to nutritious breakfast wraps to a large selection of local meats, cheeses, and sweet treats. You'll also find some of Indy's hottest award-winning restaurants within walking distance of our location, along with the Circle Center Mall, White River State Park, and Victory Field, should you choose to do a bit of shopping or sightseeing. If you're in town for an event, don't fret fighting the elements. We're connected by a climate-controlled skywalk that allows easy commuting to the Indiana Convention Center and Lucas Oil Stadium. Plan your meeting with us, and you'll have access to 45,000 square feet of flexible event space, offering versatility and style for events of every size. Our dedicated event staff will customize your meeting to fit your needs. So what are you waiting for? Come and see for yourself why the Indianapolis Marriott Downtown is the place to be for business ventures and weekend escapes. Modern designs, city views, and exciting dining options await you. We look forward to seeing you in the Circle City.